morning again. So dear students, we are doing chapter 4 from our Flamingo book, and the title of the chapter is The Rat Trap. So today in this video we will complete the story. Okay, this is the last video of chapter 4, The Rat Trap. So in previous video, the video was this. In this, the Iron Master and his daughter, they both were at the dining table and they had a discussion about the peddler. And the Iron Master said to his daughter that they had to do something good for the peddler and should also find some better job. उन्हें लग रहा था कि उसके लिए कुछ better job उनको search करना चाहिए. So this is what we have seen in our last video. That was video 2. Let's continue. So here in this paragraph, the Iron Master's daughter said that it was strange. Queer means strange. To see that the peddler had been in such a hard times and was doubtful whether the man had been educated. उनको ये पता नहीं था कि व्यक्ति कितना educated है. So hearing this, the Iron Master clarified that it was due to his bad condition. उसकी जो बुरी condition, ये सब चीजें जो उसके साथ हो रही है ना, ये that is all because of his bad conditions. So he also said that the man would behave differently after getting clean and dressed up. अगर उसको proper dressed up करा जाएगा, उसको वो पूरा अच्छे से तैयार होके आएगा, तो वो उसकी condition कुछ अलग दिखेगी. Okay. So here, just as he said this, the door opened. So as soon as he completed his sentence, while both father and daughter were discussing about the peddler, he entered the room with the valet. Okay, so the peddler, he was looking very clean as he had bath and his hair had been cut by the valet. उस प्रॉपर हेयर कट करा के आया था, क्लीन था क्योंकि उसने बात लिया था आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. एंड ही वॉज वेयरिंग द आयरन मास्टर्स क्लोथ्स एंड शूज. उसने ओल्ड शूज, प्रॉपर फिटेड शूज पहने हुए थे, अ शर्ट विथ स्ट्रेच्ड कॉलर एंड शूज विथ कवर्ड द एंटायर फीट. एंड बट ऑल्दो हिज गेस्ट वॉज नॉट सो वेल groomed. Groomed means ready. Okay, so the Iron Master seemed very angry to see his well-groomed guest. अब यहाँ पर ये सवाल उठता है कि वो गुस्सा क्यों हुआ Iron Man? Why Iron Man was in anger or very angry? क्योंकि as now he could make out his appearance well and realized that he was not his कॉमरेड. अब उसको यकीन हुआ कि नहीं, उसने गलती कर दी थी. उसने सोचा था पहले कि नील्स ओलॉफ है, जो कि वो नहीं था. He understood that he mistook some stranger as his old friend. He screamed at him. He shouted. उसने चिल्लाया जोर से and asked him to explain. The peddler knew that the Iron Master could make out that he was not his old friend. कि अच्छा गेटअप लेने के बाद वो समझ जाएगा कौन, आयरन मास्टर, कि मैं उसका फ्रेंड नहीं हूं. As he already knew this, he was ready for the consequences and felt that the luxurious treatment was about to end. उसे ये भी पता था कि जो luxurious treatment उसे दिया जा रहा है, जो इतने सारे प्रॉपर उसकी केयरिंग और सब चीजें व्यवस्थित दी जा रही हैं, वो टोटली बंद हो जाए. It is not my fault, sir, he said. So here the peddler tried to explain. उसने समझाने की कोशिश करी that he should not be blamed. उसको वो blame, why he should be blamed. He said that he was just begging for a stay in the forge. वो सिर्फ फौज में रुकना चाहता था. Okay, he also said that he had not harmed anyone and was ready to wear his rags again. To this, the Iron Master hesitated and said that the peddler had not been quite honest and so he wanted to call the sheriff. So अब वो उसको sheriff को बुलाना चाहता था. Okay, so here the tramp took a step forward and struck the table with his fist. So the rat trap seller gets so raked, okay, upon hearing about the shriek. उसको shriek के बारे में सुनकर घबराहट हुई, that he struck the table very hard and his first. And here now I am going to tell you, Mr. Iron Master, how things are, he said. अब वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि चीजें कैसे मतलब उलझती गई. That he struck table very hard and he said that this world is a rat trap and all the good things are just a bait, just like the rinds of cheese and the small pieces of pork are a bait for the rat which are offered to trap it. So now only this he also pointed out to the Iron Master that he may today be imprisoned. उसको कैद हो सकती है या वो कैद हो जाएगा by the sheriffs, but one day the Iron Master will also get trapped like this. तो उसने उसे बोला कि आप शेरिफ को तो बुला रहे हो मुझे पकड़ाने के लिए, लेकिन हो सकता है एक दिन आप ही इस तरह के किसी जाल में उलझ जाओ और लालच में उलझ जाओ. The Iron Master began to laugh. उसने हंसना शुरू करा. Why the Iron Master did not like the peddler's words and decided not to call the sheriff. उसको पसंद नहीं आया उसके वर्ड्स और उसने डिसाइड करा कि वो बुलाएगा नहीं अब शेरिफ्स को. He asked the peddler to leave at once. उसने उसे बोला कि तुम अभी के अभी यहाँ से चले जाओ. But just as the man was opening the door, what happened? So the Iron Master's daughter stopped the peddler. She wanted to help the poor fellow. वो उसकी मदद करना चाहते थे. Okay, and since morning she was planning how she could make the peddler's day happy on the occasion of Christmas. So here she stopped telling that you are not going anywhere. Okay, you are what you have decided. I don't know anything about that. But she went again against her father's will and stopped him by closing the door. Now here she said that I am thinking of the strange here, said the young girl. So she said that she tried to explain the difficulties faced by the peddler, and she said वो बताती है that he did not have any house. He was turned out from whenever he went and he always kept on running in order to safeguard himself from being arrested. वो अपने आप को अरेस्ट होने से बचाता रहा इसलिए वो इधर उधर भागता रहा. और she said that she wanted him to enjoy Christmas with peace as they had promised him. चूंकि उन्होंने उसको प्रॉमिस करा था कि क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन we will do together, तो वो सिर्फ इतना चाहती थी कि हम सिर्फ साथ में क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट. So the Iron Master mumbled something in his beard. So here they should not send away a man on Christmas. She said that. So the man whom they had promised happiness on the day. So the Iron Master was not able to find an answer to go against his daughter. उसको लगा कि नहीं मुझे अपनी daughter के against में नहीं जाना चाहिए. So the only thing he could say to his daughter was that she was trying good at convincing others. मतलब वो दूसरों को कन्विंस कराने के लिए परफेक्ट गर्ल है. अगर उसे अपनी चीजें मनवाना होता है या कुछ समझाना होता है तो शी इज द परफेक्ट. So she was trying good at convincing others. This is what the Iron Master told to his daughter. They decided the young girl took the strange by the hand and led him up to the table. Now sit down and eat. And now the girl took the peddler to the table and offered him food. She saw that her father had consented to her wish. उसकी जो इच्छा है उसके फादर ने उसको मान लिया और उसके फादर ने बोल दिया है कि okay, now you can do whatever you want to do. So here the peddler did not say any word and started eating, though he was doubtful about her intentions and was wondering why she stopped him. उसे ये भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था उसको क्यों रोका है. And after that Christmas Eve at Ramsujo passed just as it always had. So in this paragraph the peddler went to sleep after having food. वो सोने चला गया. Okay. क्योंकि वो किसी को हार्म नहीं पहुंचाना चाहता था. He did not cause harm to anyone and lie down on the sofa in the guest house. And he was once woken up in the afternoon, but after having his lunch again he went to sleep. ऐसा लग रहा था कहीं टाइम से, कई सालों से वो सोया नहीं है. It was like as if he had never got the chance to sleep so peacefully. उसको जितना पीस आज लग रहा था, जितना शांति आज लग रही थी, उसे लग रहा था कि हो सकता है वो कभी लाइफ में इतना पीसफुल नहीं रहा, as he had got this peace or praise first time. Okay. Happened in the evening when the Christmas tree was lightened. So in the evening the family woke him as they had to light up the Christmas tree. जब उन्हें Christmas tree को सजाना था, डेकोरेट करना था, जलाना था, he stood there blinking as if he was getting hurt by the bright light of the candles. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था, यहाँ पर ऐसा लग रहा था उसको देखकर कि जो ब्राइट लाइट्स थी जो क्रिसमस ट्रीज पर लगी हुई थी, कहीं ना कहीं उसको हर्ट कर रही थी. He again went to sleep. वो दोबारा सोने चला गया. Finally they called him again for the dinner and they offered them Christmas fish and porridge. उसको porridge और Christmas offer करी. As soon as they got up from the table, he went round to each one present and said thank you and good night. So after the dinner was over, peddler ने thank करा. किसके लिए? Everyone present there. So Iron Master's daughter said that the clothes which were given to him were a Christmas present from her father. उसके father ने दिए. So he could carry them with him. वो उसको अपने साथ ले जा सकता है. She even invited the peddler to be with her family for the next Christmas Eve and promised that nothing bad would happen to him. वो उसको प्रॉमिस भी करती है कि कुछ भी गलत नहीं होगा, तुम वापस आना. But the peddler did not have any answer for this and started at the no. She stared. वो उसको ध्यान से घूर के देखता है. The girl with wonder, आश्चर्य के साथ, अमेजमेंट के साथ. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि after knowing the truth about the peddler, why they are behaving like such a kind person. Okay, so here he feels like that why he was very amazed, he was very shocked. Who? The peddler, after seeing the attitude of that girl. So both the next morning Iron Master and his daughter got up in the good season, means they both got up in very good mood. Both Iron Master and daughter come to know that the red trap seller had stolen money. So this guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. When it's about 10 o'clock, they drove back to the church. The young girl sat and hung her. So here she said that both Iron Master और daughter जो थे, they had come to know that a red trap seller had stolen money from the old crofter. उनको लगा कि वो काफी सारा पैसा रुपया लेके चला गया होगा. They realized that he was the same man whom they had over as a guest. So the Iron Master said that it was his daughter who insisted to give shelter to a thief, जिसने उसको बहुत insist करा कि वो shelter दे किसको, thief को, and was wondering that how many silver spoons. तो sarcastically वो अपनी daughter को ये बताता है, बोलता है कि तुम ही थी जिसने मुझे insist करा और अभी तक तो वो काफी सारे silver spoons stolen कर लिए होंगे उसने हमारे घर से. So here the wagon had hardly stopped. So Iron Masters on reaching home inquired about the peddler. उसने जब पता लगाया from the valet से, so he also told him that he was a thief. उसने बताया कि वो तो चोर था. To his surprise, the valet told him that the peddler, instead of taking something, had left a small Christmas gift for Miss Williamson. उसने बोला कि वो तो उनके लिए कुछ गिफ्ट रखी गया है. किसके लिए? एल्डा, जो आयरन मास्टर की डॉटर है, उनके लिए. तो द यंग गर्ल ओपन द पैकेज. उसने द आयरन मास्टर डॉटर ओपन द गिफ्ट. इट वॉज सो रफली पैक्ड, बड़ी बुरी तरह से पैक्ड था वो, दैट शी कुड इजीली गेस व्हाट वाज इनसाइड द पैक. अपार्ट फ्रॉम अ रेड ट्रैप के अलावा क्या था उसमें? 3 क्रोनॉर नोट्स. अब ये 3 क्रोनॉर नोट्स कहाँ से आए? जो उसने चुराए थे. कहाँ से? क्रॉफ्टर के घर से. एंड देयर वाज अ लेटर आल्सो. द पेडलर हैड थैंक्ड. ओके, So she gave a little cry of joy. He thanked to that girl also, telling that she honored Miss Edla, and he gifted her a rat trap and also requested her to return the stolen money to the old man. Okay, which old man? That crofter. He said that it was she who let him free from the rat trap. ये वो है जिसने उसे से free करा था. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain, because in that way he got power to clean himself. So वो उसको ये बताता है कि that it was she who let him free. ये वो है, मतलब एडला वो गर्ल है जिसने उसको फ्री करा. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द रेड ट्रैप, बाय रेजिंग हिज स्टेचूज फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ अ मियर पैडलर टू दैट ऑफ अ कैप्टन, जिसने उसको कैप्टन का नाम दिया, फॉर्म दिया, रूप दिया. एट लास्ट ही अंडरसाइंड एज कैप्टन वॉन स्टैले, और लास्ट में वो उसको साइन कर देता है उसके नाम से और वो वहां से चला जाता है. So here I have told you that we get this beautiful message, the message which I have told you earlier, that with our good attitude, with our good behavior, we can change the perception of any person. Okay, this is what the story is about. And that disillusioned peddler, जो कि thief था, जिसने सब चीजें चुराई थी, हमें यहाँ पर मैसेज देता है ऑथर. That is universal message that the essential goodness in man can awaken through understanding and love. So here we have seen the act of kindness and hospitality shown by the ironmaster's daughter awakes basic human goodness in the peddler. And this story also highlights that this world is a big rat trap, and riches and wealth only tempt and trap us in.